Hello and welcome, Yarn Besties. I am the Crafty Crocheter, so I wanted to make this quick little video because I did it, folks. I officially hit my 1,000 subscribers milestone. And if you're currently not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel so you get access to more content. Now that number may seem small to a lot of folks out there, but to me it means quite a lot. It means a lot to me because there are 1,000 people out there who have decided to spending their time here, watching my videos, and supporting what I create. Now, I want to thank every single one of you for every view, every comment, every like, and to all of you who have subscribed. Whether you've been here since the beginning of time, or just found the channel recently, I appreciate you for being here. Now, when I first started this channel, I honestly didn't think it would take off so well, or what direction it would go. Now, there were some videos I was quite excited to make, videos that I questioned about posting, at moments where growth felt really slow, almost to the point where I was so frustrated that I was about to throw my hands in the air and say, I'm done. But I pressed on and persevered. One of my favorite parts has been hearing from all of you and seeing what you've created, what you thought about, and what you've shared. Now, this channel feels less like my channel and something that we've been building together as a community. I'm so excited to what's coming down the line and what's going to happen, what's going to be the future of the channel. I have some more great ideas, more fantastic videos planned, and I want to keep improving and creating content that everyone out there will enjoy. So again, I want to thank each and every one of you for helping me reach this 1,000 subscribers goal. Now, if there's something that you would like to see in an upcoming video, or suggestions for upcoming videos, please let me know. Feel free to leave a comment below or email me directly. And the next milestone I hope to achieve would be either 2,000 subscribers or to be monetized. So either would be great. I just want to see myself grow to 2,000, 3,000 and beyond, 4,000, 5,000 and beyond, which would be fantastic. And it would just be a testament to all of you out there. So let's keep that momentum going, y'all. All right, so I hope everyone's day's going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Gotta spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Be kind to each other. Help each other out. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. And don't let anyone deter you from your true path, no matter what people say. Haters are gonna hate. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. And stay on top of your mental health because good mental health is very important any time of the year. And on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.